Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So there's a sample size of 100 adults measuring their blood pressure, one with an I pose when their arms are parallel to the body, and one with a T pose when the arms are perpendicular to the body. Why is that the I pose has a greater blood pressure compared to the T pose? So, in summary, the blood vessels are more restricted and parallel to the body. For constant blood volume to flow, the blood pressure must increase to overcome the resistance. We'll dive a little bit deeper. So, when the arm is in parallel to the body, the blood vessels experience a greater constriction compared to when the arm is perpendicular. To maintain constant volume of blood being pumped by the heart, the blood pressure must rise in order to counteract the heightened resistance to the blood flow. What does that mean? So with the I pose, the arm is directly down. So with your arms in your natural position, and you can see from that position that blood will flow down to the arms, but then you need to overcome gravity and have the blood pressure rise in order for the blood to recirculate back into the main body from the arms. So that's why when it's in parallel, it requires more blood pressure because it needs to overcome gravity. Whereas the T pose, it's at the same height, so it requires less resistance. Okay. Now before we leave this video, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with snipping tool. If not, follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use your Mac equivalent. So click on the snipping tool icon on your taskbar. If it's not on the taskbar, type in snipping tool from your Windows search and you'll be able to find it there. Next, click on the video option, then click on new, then left click and drag your rectangle and cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button, let the video finish. Hit the red square, stop recording, and save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.